In today's video, I'll show you where Eternights stores your save files so you can back up progress and avoid data loss. All you have to do is press the Windows key and R key together and type here percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Go back to app data folder and double click on this local low folder and find Studio Sai. Double click on the Studio Sai folder, Eternights folder, saves folder, again save folder, and this is where all your game progress will be saved. And now I'll show you guys how to back up your saves. Just go back to Eternights. Just copy this saves. Just right click and copy and paste it in another location. And if something goes wrong, you can easily restore your game progress just by copying this file and paste it in this location. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.